Imagine this. You wake up to a chaotic world where stress, negativity, and endless distractions pull you in every direction. But what if I told you there's a way to find unshakable peace, resilience, and purpose? A philosophy that's over 2,000 years old, yet more relevant than ever. Stoicism. Welcome to Stoic Line. Today, we're diving deep into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a guide for mastering your mind, emotions, and life itself. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the core principles of Stoicism, but also how to apply them in your daily life to live with strength and serenity. 1. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy founded in the 3rd century BCE by Zeno of Citium. It teaches us how to live a virtuous life in harmony with nature while focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we cannot. It's not about suppressing emotions, but mastering them. It's a philosophy for thinkers, warriors, and everyday people seeking clarity and resilience in a chaotic world. 2. The core principles of Stoicism. 1. Dichotomy of Control. The cornerstone of Stoicism. Focus only on what you can control: your thoughts, actions, and attitude. Let go of worrying about things you can't control, like the weather, other people's opinions, or unexpected events. 2. Virtue is the highest good. Stoics believe that living virtuously, practicing wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline is the key to happiness. External success or failure doesn't define you. Your character does. 3. Memento Mori. Remember you will die. Rather than being morbid, this principle reminds us to value life and make the most of every moment. It's about living with intention and appreciating the present. 4. Amor Fati. Love your fate. Stoics embrace life's challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of resisting what happens, they say, "This is happening for me, not to me." 3. Practical applications for beginners. So how can you bring Stoicism into your life today? Here are 3 simple steps. 1. Morning reflection. Start your day by asking, what challenges might I face today? And how can I respond virtuously? This prepares your mind to face the day with intention. 2. Negative visualization. Imagine losing something you cherish: your health, a loved one, or your possessions. This may sound uncomfortable, but it helps you appreciate what you have right now. 3rd evening review. Before bed, reflect. What did I do well today? What could I have done better? It's a powerful way to grow and align your actions with your values. Stoicism isn't just ancient wisdom. It's a timeless guide to living a fulfilled and purposeful life. Start small, practice daily, and watch how your perspective shifts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Stoic Line for weekly insights into Stoicism and self-mastery. Leave a comment below sharing how you'll apply Stoicism in your life today.